video, and this video is for real-time rendering assignment 4. So before we start, I should say apologize to who is watching this video, because this sign here is what I think is the best way to present what a map mapping is and what a map mapping doing. So I will just start from here. So what map mapping doing is to solve a problem when you have a much bigger texture pixel to fitting in the small pixel size of your screen. So what that means, for example, you only have a 200 by 200 pixel screen, but you have a 400 times 400 texture or images here. And when you want to presenting this image in this screen, it's not gonna working very well, because they don't know how to resampling the picture and to adjust this small size. And same things happened when we're trying to put some texture in this in some object. For example, here we have like a board, and I'm mapping a chessboard to it, and you can see there's many chessboard, and imagine this small part screen here are trying to rendering the same texture over here. You can see even the screen size they take is not same. It's much bigger here, but the texture they are rendering is actually the same. So map mapping is to solve this problem when you have unfit texture to rendering. Let's see the effect what before map mapping, and let's start spanning, and you can see over here the far away side of this board, and you can see there's a lot of like circle appears. That's called more pattern. More pattern is caused because the problem I have described a few minutes ago, 1 minute ago, and to solve this problem, and we have a map mapping, and you can see this is the effect of using map mapping, and you can see it's much smooth and it's much better. It don't have any small circles appears up and appears out. So what map mapping did is it will downsampling the texture. For example, if you have a 400 times 400 texture, and it will downsize for you like 100 and 100, 50 times 50, 25 times 25, and at least to how far away is decided by you. You can go a seven times smaller, or 8 times smaller, and when the screen size is small, it will automatically use that texture that has been downsized. For example, for this part, maybe for this part, maybe it's using this part, maybe it's using 100 by 100 one, and the one far away is using 25 times 25 one. That's what map doing here. So let's compare them together to see the real difference between these two. And you can see even we have the fastest speed of spinning, and you can see it's still quite smooth when you look in this part. It's quite smooth, It's no more pattern here, but you can see here is, and in the first one you may feel sick when you're watching for a long time, but this one makes you like better because it's much smooth. Okay, that's all I want to talk about map mapping and also about assignment 4. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.